Well, I got the VT1100 back together. Got her all cleaned up. All the stuff put back on it. Got her all shined up. Used two VF700 CDI boxes from I think it was a 1984 model to replace what was in here, because what was in here wasn't working. Had to replace the front pulser down inside the crankcase. That was no treat getting to that. Anyway, it's back together. I've filled up the gas tank, got no leaks. Fire it up for you can hear it run. She's all happy now. She's a little cold-blooded. Gotta let it warm up a little bit before I give her the goose.